Welcome to the new One Grand Junction Comprehensive Plan. We're excited to introduce this document to the public as it represents a lot of hard work and public input from the entire community. Since the project kicked off in February 2019, there have been nearly 2,200 points of engagement with Grand Junction residents, business owners, stakeholders, city staff and department heads, and elected and appointed officials to make this comprehensive plan uniquely relevant to Grand Junction. The One Grand Junction Comprehensive Plan is the city's official policy document. It provides direction to ensure positive momentum and guide the city's decision makers over the next 2 decades. Please take special note of the guiding principles in Chapter 2, which articulate the community's vision and set up the plan's goals and strategies for implementation. The plan focuses on land use and growth to define where and how development should occur in the city, along with recommendations for the systems that support growth. It also provides area-specific policies that include more detail for specific uses in key locations throughout Grand Junction. We hope you enjoy this first look at the One Grand Junction Comprehensive Plan. As you flip through it, please post your questions in the comment box included on the website. We're looking forward to your feedback on this exciting document for the City of Grand Junction.